What is your name, buddy?
Glenn.
Lan.
Glenn.
Glenn?
Glenn.
Glenn. And you?
Glenn. Lizzy.
Lizzy. Where are you from?
LA. California.
Los Angeles,
Yes.
California. We need a pair of friends.
No.
Rolan aquí para ver ponerle los casquetes.
You guys, this is where we're gonna go down.
Play around this boat. Albert comes soon. I'm gonna start to explain you how it's gonna work. I will.
So look at me and my perfume.
Huh?
Watch me and my perfume.
Watch out
Got it
behind.
on? Got it on?
Here we go.
Yeah? Alright guys, here we go!
Stop, stop, relax.
Woo! Did you do anything?
Forward now. Stop. Left side backwards. Left side backwards. Left side. Stop.
There we go.
Forward.
Forward.
Forward. Easy. 1, 6,
There we go, babe.
Stop.
Stop.
Follow my rhythm, okay?
Órale.
Woo.
Woo!
Stop. Relax, Brianna. Until when I say. Forward, forward. Stop. Stop here. Forward again. Together. 1, 2. Little harder. 1, 2. Here we go. No more practice.
Uh-oh.
Forward. The first drop is coming up. Stop.
Oh, damn. Woo!
Forward, forward.
Oh, shit. Woo!
Down, hold down.
Ah! Yeah!
Stop, 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 stop.
Stop, stop, stop!
Woo.
Woo!
Forward. Woo. Stop. Check the camera. Pura vida.
Woo!
You okay? I just got my face slammed.
Hold on. Lean in, lean in.
Woo!
Forward. Down, get down, get down.
Oh!
So surprised. It's easy, it's easy.
Huh?
Very good thing. You can go all over. Forward, please. Stop. To my dream team today. Forward. Stop. Forward. Harder.
Oh!
Forward. Stop.
I like her face. I like her face.
That's impressive. Forward. Stop. Forward. Stop. Forward. Forward again, please. Easy. Up. Forward. Stop. All right.
Whoa!
Hold down, get down, get down, get down, get down.
Oh!
Back in position. Are you okay? I saw you, right? Now you see? Good. Stop, catch up. Catch up.
Just got a flower and he asked Glenn's permission. He's gonna put something else on Glenn too.
I have my husband.
So you can see what he's gonna put.
Just to look different, you know.
He's gonna put that on you.
This is
I like it.
Capitan Chocolate style.
Oh, so
Yeah.
get some greenery.
Yeah.
King of the
Yeah, you're right.
Looks like he's
Like a Roman helmet, like a Roman warrior helmet. Go, face the camera, guys, face the camera. Watch out, this is just grass, okay?
Okay. No snakes, right?
Oh. There you go. Forward.
Forward, you guys.
Yeah, forward.
Are you okay?
She's fine, she's fine.
Are you okay?
Blow on your back, blow on your back.
Hold on your back.
Come back, forward.
Okay.
Yeah, did you get on the GoPro?
Kinda, yeah. Here, take the board, take the oar, take the oar. Yeah. Backwards, backwards, babe.
Yeah, my leg.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, that got a little crazy.
Molly, we're coming! Are you okay?
I got scared because then she
Forward
was...
now, forward.
Forward, forward.
Stay in position. Down here.
Got it?
Yeah.
You okay, Brad? Are you okay? Just got wet. Just got wet. Okay.
Was that life changing?
We got swimmers.
I'm totally fine. Being under the boat wasn't super fun, but after that,
I tried to save your life.
Yeah, that was cool.
I'm okay, don't worry.
Woo!
Yeah.
We got
I was trying to use
pictures
my big foot. I was trying to hold it, but I
of this. We
couldn't
have a
anymore.
film?
Yeah.
Are you okay? You were totally under the boat though.
I know, that was not my favorite part. That was scary. Everything else was fine.
I was like, I couldn't see your head, so I was like, where's your head? Where's your head?
And then you.
I was trying to hold on to my foot.
You fell over?
Yeah.
Oh.
I was holding on with like my big toe, like, come on, size 10 feet, hurry!
No, really. Well, we get the purpose in the wave, we were surfing, and that there is deep, so we know somebody falls.
It's okay.
Yeah.
You didn't. Yeah, no.
Forward, please. See, interesting photo. That's Brianna screaming for you.
And then him, looking at nature.
Yeah, you just go.
Yeah, bye! Happy 2
What
years!
time you come back?
What time you go back? Woo!
Glenn, ride the bull.
Oh my God.
I think he was realizing really well what we're saying, but he was trying.
Yeah. Okay guys, so we just took our rest right now. I think one got the footage, but I fell in, another girl fell in. I was okay, the other girl floated off, but she's good, everything's safe. So we just took a break right now. They're gonna cut some fruit, but here's our break right here. And then they're gonna cut the fruit right here on the raft. Alright guys, so we finished our river rafting, so now we're here at the Gourmet Chocolateria. Oh yeah. So it's $4 a bar. They have plain chocolate, white chocolate, what's tapa dulce? White chocolate, sweet figs, wow. Lemongrass, almonds, strawberry, fresa. So he was telling, oh look for hot chocolate. Look for hot chocolate. Okay, so we have 30% milk. We have, what is this? 75% cacao, white chocolate, and pecan. Let's try the white chocolate. It tastes really good. Okay, let's try 30% milk chocolate. This might be bitter though.
No, that's caramel. The one that's gonna be bitter is gonna be this one. Cacao.
Okay. Oh yeah, it looks dark. Let's try it. Oh, it's dark, but it tastes good.
Well, yeah, it's because it had to mix.
Now I taste the bitterness. Now let's try pecan.
And it's earthy.
I have the white chocolate and the caramel. So now they have cocoa nibs. That one's caramel, huh? Right, you guys just got our chocolates for our family. Now we came next door. We got some chocolates over there that we're gonna try out. They're right here. And then here are the little cacao plants with harinal in the back. Right there. We got Nutella, passion fruit, piña, and caramel? Caramel. Mocha trio. And they blend coffee, milk, ice cream, and chocolate. But it's super light, huh? Tastes good, huh? Like totally different than a Starbucks.
Coffee here is like, it does what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to keep you up. It's supposed to give you the energy, but it's like not too bitter. It's
Piña.
good. It's really good. I think I want to try black coffee here because I think it would be decent to like drink. It's really good.
We just pulled over on the side of the road because we're gonna do some drone shots, but it's so funny because look at the cows. They're all just staring. Look at him, he's just staring. He's like, what are you guys doing? Hi! Moo!
So this is the town square right here.
Oh, begging. His little eyes. Alright guys. Thank you. Gracias. Got our food. So you guys, we're eating right now and they're playing Anuhea and they're playing our wedding song. Well, we didn't have the remix, but...
¿Cómo está todo por acá? ¿Le gustó?
Oh, yeah. Sí.
Muy bueno, muy bueno. Gracias.
¿Quiere una cervecita más, no?
Want another one?
Ah, no.
No.
You know what? It's so crazy that I love the setup. It's like so islandy, Caribbean. The chicken, everything. It's like we're in Latin America and Hawaii. The whole setup is nice.
You guys, this is the chicken we just ate at the restaurant. Oh my gosh, like one of our best meals. So now what?
Let's just walk.
Okay.
Walk around the bar.
Yeah.
Walk down here.
Sounds good.
See what downtown Fortuna.
Oh, he remembers us. How cute. Hi. Oh. Oh. Bye. Adios.
We are now walking down downtown Fortuna. It is freaking awesome. You know, and you guys are gonna get tired of it, but I always refer back to Maui and Lahaina, but it has that same feel. You know, I'm gonna show you right now how exactly it is. It's
just like the
so
Latin
cool.
version of it.
The
though.
Latin version of it, yeah. So here's a church. Church is in service right now. This is like the town square where everybody meets up and hangs out, and we got these little stores right here. It's pretty chill, and it's pretty like everybody's just pretty nice. You know, we met the neighborhood dogs for the businesses, and oh, look at the town square. We'll go over there right now. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. You know, I'm loving the greenery. I'm loving the palm trees, these plants and stuff.
We have that in front of our house.
Yeah, we actually do. We have those. I mean, I don't have this set up, but you know, pretty soon I'll be there. You know, they got a Dodge Ram. Look, hell yeah, they know what I like. And you know what? The craziest thing, too, the craziest thing about out here is that there's all these pizza places that are out here, and you're like, pizza in a Latin country? I guess it's like something bomb, you know, that they like, whether it be like pepper. Yeah, but they do their own twist on it. They'll add their own ingredients, add local stuff, and it's I know they love cheese because they have this fried cheese.
Yes.
Freaking phenomenal. She loves the fried cheese.
Dude, it's so good. Like every time they have fried cheese on it, I'm like, yes, I love fried cheese.
So, you know, and it's so crazy because they'll put their own twist on, you know, dishes that are from America or from Europe. And
oh, look, a tattoo place. Want to get matching tattoos?
yeah, Costa Rica tattoos, right? It's actually a pretty cool studio too.
Yeah. Chocolate workshops.
It's a Choco Museo. It's a chocolate workshop. So, Super Christian is like their version of like a supermarket. And we're gonna cross. Oh, another thing too, with the traffic. Wait, I thought that was another dog, the same one. Another thing with the traffic, you just gotta go, man. You just gotta freaking, you see an opening, you take it. You take it, you don't look back, you just go. And the cars, whew, if you're driving out here, you really gotta watch your back. You gotta watch how you're driving. There's no street lights, so everything's stop sign. And it's so dark, you don't see no stop signs because the street lights are like nothing. So you're on your own. And but yeah, this is awesome. Now cool live music. Oh, look at that grill. Look at that. That looks like steak. You know your boy loves some steak.
Oh, and at the gas stations, look, they do everything for you.
Oh yeah, well, gas stations are full service, and right, babe, they do everything for you. Everything for you. Look,
Full attendance.
full attendance. You don't get out of your car. They do it. It's almost like Oregon, the same thing. You can't get out your car. They do everything for you. That's why there's signs right there. So we're walking by Nanku.
So that's where we ate. Pollo Fortuna Restaurante. Highly recommend.